sitting in my parked car, and this is what I see. What's he eating? I don't know. But he killed something. I kinda don't want to get out of my car. Like, I'm sitting in my parked car and this guy's 3 feet away. I don't want to interrupt his lunch. He's looking right at me. I see you, bro. He's looking right at me. Hey! Alright, dude, I want to get out of this car. Let's just see what happens if I open my door. I still got the keys in there. Bro, you're good. You're good, bro. Chill, bro. Oh, he's still there. If he comes at me, I don't know what I'd do. Now I'm outside. Just want to reach in the car and get my bag. Don't get me, dude. I'm a friend. Enjoy your lunch. Enjoy your lunch. He's hard to see. He's like camouflage, man. That's how he got his prey, I guess. God damn. Alright, bird. Thanks for not eating me. Alright, bird. Don't attack me when I walk away.